Press the button to deploy the center console. When the center console is fully deployed, press the arrow button to expose the cup holder. Check for and remove any obstructions to allow the cup holder to close correctly. If an obstruction or resistance is detected, the cup holder will pause or return to its open position. To access the center console storage compartment, release the latch on the underside of the lid and lift. A selection of connectivity sockets are available. These are located to the rear of the storage compartment. To access the storage tray, lower the lid and release the second latch on the underside of the lid and lift. To return the center console to the upright position, make sure the lid is fully closed. Press the Fold button to retract the center console. To raise or lower the rear center head restraint, press the Up or Down button. The center console can also be deployed and retracted using the front touchscreen. Select Seats from the Extra Features menu, followed by the Seat Fold icon. Select the center console and touch Fold. If you have downloaded the Land Rover In Control remote app, you can control the center console using the Seats function.